7 and 8. Alright, question number 7 says P is the point 2, 4 and Q is the point 6, 10. So question 7, P is the point 2, 4 and Q is the point 6, 10. I'm going to call this x1, y1, call this x2, y2. The first thing you ask is to find the gradient of PQ. That's not hard. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, let's put in our values. What is y2? What is y1? What is x2? Minus what is x1? So this works out to be 6 over 4. So this works out to be 3 over 2. Did you get that? Talk to me now. The gradient is 3 over 2. Now, we're asked to calculate the coordinates, and yes, you must reduce it to its lowest, to carry it down as low as it can go. We're asked to calculate, we're also asked to calculate the midpoint of PQ. Alright, the formula for the midpoint M is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. M, x1 is 2 over 2, comma, y1, 4 plus what? 10 over 2. M, the midpoint is 8 over 2, comma, 14 over 2. M, the midpoint is 4, 4, 7. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So the midpoint of PQ is 4, 7. Alright, let's have a look at question number 8. Question 8. Question 8 says the diagram below represents the graph of the straight line which passes through P and Q. So in this question you're not given the coordinates of the 2 points. You're given a graph that shows the 2 points. It says state the coordinates of P and Q. So A, tell me, what is the coordinate of P?
0, 3.
Very good. P is the point 0, 3, and Q is the point what?
Minus 2, 0.
It is minus 2, 0. Alright, whenever you're reading a coordinate, you always read the vertical coordinate first. Hear me. The y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. The y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. So this is vertical 0 and horizontal 3. Vertical 0 and horizontal 3. Q is vertical minus 2 and horizontal 0. Vertical minus 2 and horizontal 0. Alright. I'm going to call this x1, y1, call this x2, y2. Let's go again. Do you expect the gradient of AB to be positive or to be negative?
Negative.
Look good.
Positive.
If from left to right, if a line slopes up, its gradient is positive. From left to right, if a line slopes up, its gradient is positive. So M,
Oh yeah, 3 over 4.
so we're at B, I, M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is 0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 0. This is minus 3 over minus 2. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So this is positive 3 over 2. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
I'll consider it.
Next thing, are you listening? Next thing, we're asked to find the equation of the line PQ. What did you get for the equation of the line PQ? What did you get for the equation of the line PQ? Nobody answers. The answer is this. Line PQ. The equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Please note. Please look. This is the general form. Top right and look. This is the general form of a straight line. To determine a straight line, to know definitively what a straight line is, you need two things. You need the gradient and you need the y-intercept. Many times when you have the graph, and you can, if you have the graph and you can see where the line cuts the y-axis, you have the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept?
3.
So this y-intercept, which is c, is what? 3. Please note, let me say it again. You need two things to definitively say what the equation of a line is. You need to know the gradient of the line. What is the gradient of the line?
3 over 2.
And you need one other thing, you need the y-intercept.
Sir,
What is the gradient of the line?
3 over 2x plus
3 over 2. What is the y-intercept c?
3.
The line is y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. That is the equation of the line. Now, let us say you did not have the level of understanding I have of it. If you had used the formula, it would have given you the same answer. If you had used the formula, it would have given you the same answer. What did you use, Brittany? Did you use the formula? Fine. If you had used the formula, you would have gotten the same answer. But it would be good if you could just look and see that once you know the gradient and the y-intercept, you know the equation. Once you know, this is the form. And the only two things you don't know, the y must write back, the x must write back. The only two things you need to put in is what? M and what? C. Once you know M and C, you know the equation of the line. The equation of the line is y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. Next. C says, the point minus 8t lies on the line segment. Determine the value of t. Alright. Now you are given a graph. You are given a graph. Normally, if this graph had gone out to minus 8, I would have shown you how to use the graph to arrive at the answer. Now, if you do not have, if the graph does not go out to minus 8, to get the answer, you've got to use the equation of the line. The equation of the line is y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 1 plus 3. And the point is what? Minus 8t. So minus 8t lies on this line. Can I show you what it means? It means that minus 8 is the x value and t is the y value. So you see, if I put this minus 8 in this, the value of y I get is going to be what? T. If I put in what? X is what? Minus 8 in the equation, the value of y I get is going to be what? T. Let's go. If you're given a graph and then it says this point lies on the graph, but you notice that this stops where? The x value where it stops is what? Minus 2. The x value here is what? So you cannot use the graph to find it out. You've got to use the equation. When you can't use the graph, you can use the equation. Let's put in the values. I'm going to put in x, take out x and put minus 8. Take out y and put what? T is equal to 3 over 2x. But what is x? Minus 8 plus 3. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are given the equation of a line and you are given what? The x coordinate, you can find the y coordinate by putting it into the equation. And that's what happening now. You are given the x coordinate and you are asked to find the y coordinate. To do that, let's put it in the equation. So this is 2 into this is minus 4. T would be equal to 3 times minus 4 is minus 12 plus 3. T, what is minus 12 plus 3?
Minus 9.
What is it? It's minus 9. It's minus 9. When the signs are different, you subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. T is minus 9. Did you get that? If you did not, sorry, if the graph don't go all the way out, so you can use the graph, you have to use the equation. Alright. Now we're told that AB is perpendicular to D and passes through 6, 2. Alright, let us say that there's some point out here, so, and that point is this point is 6, 2. 6, 2. It's somewhere out here, so positive 6 and what? X is 6, Y is what? 2. It's somewhere out there, so. Now there is a line that passes through this point that is perpendicular to this line. So this line might look something like this. What is the characteristics of this line? This line passes through a point 6, 2, and it is what? Perpendicular to the line PQ. Alright? Now, we're asked to now determine the equation. So this is the line AB. The line AB passes through 6, 2, and it is perpendicular to PQ. So let's talk about the line AB. Let's talk about the line AB. Line AB. Tell me, what is the gradient of PQ?
Minus 2.
What is the gradient of PQ? 3 over 2. What will be the gradient of AB before you answer? AB, we are told, is perpendicular to PQ. If we were told that they were parallel, we would know that parallel lines have the same gradient. But they're not parallel, they are what? Perpendicular. If they are perpendicular and you know the gradient of PQ, what must you do to the gradient of PQ to get the gradient of AB? You must what? You must invert the gradient and what? Change the sign. So it becomes what? Minus
2 over 3.
Minus 2 over 3. So this is the gradient of what? PQ. And this is the gradient of AB. Now, we're going to use the formula y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. That's the formula we're using. To use this formula, I need two things. I need the gradient, minus 2 over 3, and I need 1 point on the line AB. Do I have 1 point on the line AB? Help me, man.
Yes, sir.
What is 1 point on the line AB? 6, 2 is on the line AB. So let's put in what? 6, 2. This is x naught, y naught. Let's put it in y. M minus 3 over 2.
Minus 2 over 3.
Thank you. 2 over 3. X minus 6 plus 2. This is minus 2 over 3x. A negative times a negative is a what?
Positive.
2 over 3 times 6 plus 2. 6 over 1 plus 2. 3 into this 1, 3 into this is 2. This is minus 2 over 3x plus 4, 2 2's plus 2. This is y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 6. This is the equation of the line AB. That is the equation of the line AB. That's great.
You must always look at the 2 3 right here, sir.
Where?
And it says negative 2 3 x plus 6. You must always put back into where you get like this, sir. Back to where you go. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Anywhere you get here, sir, you must,
Here.
yeah, you must put it backward.
Tell what we're doing here. What we're doing is we're applying distributive law.
Yeah.
And distributive law says whatever is inside is multiplied by what is outside. So watch me. Minus 2.5 minus 3 over 2 times x is minus 3 over 2x. Then a negative times a negative is a positive. Then you multiply 2/3 by 6. You're multiplying everything inside the bracket by what is immediately outside the bracket.